Bochomaka and welcome back to my channel, Bochomaka. And to everybody who's new to the channel, welcome to my channel, Chomaka. Thank you so much for your loyalty. I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing. But there's one leaky problem we need to address, Bochomaka, right? So we get analysis on YouTube. I mean, that's a nice thing. But there's a problem. Going to off channel, right? How come I have about 3,000 views? I mean, I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for your support. But then how come we've got 236 subscribers? Guys, you guys are giving me vibes of those people that can see our WhatsApp status, you know, yet they've hidden it from us, but they can see it. No, guys, you can do better. Me, I believe in you guys. Please do better. Please do subscribe. Please subscribe to Maka. Anywho, just a quick one. This is an update on my bariatric surgery. I did my surgery on the 2nd of May 2023. So it's been about 3 months since I've done the surgery. My first weigh-in weight. So not my first, but my last weigh-in on the day of surgery. I was 149.9. Guys, I was in disbelief. I couldn't believe it. I told the nurse that I'm 135. And the nurse said, okay, let's try another scale. We tried another scale. And the numbers were just, the math was mathing, but the person who was being weighed, I was in disbelief. I didn't want to believe it, you know. Like, I mean, how can I be 150 kgs, guys? But anyway, here's an update. I currently weigh 136.10 kilograms and I've lost 13.8 kilograms to date. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm feeling lighter. I can take long walks. I enjoy walking. My back pain is no longer there. It's just been so beautiful. I'm feeling so energetic. Before I used to struggle, guys. Like I would want to nap during the day. It didn't matter. Even if I had IV drip or anything that gives me energy, like during the day my energy would go. But mind you, guys, my energy is on another level. It's on another level. It's on another level. Langbagger. I'm so excited, guys. So I've been getting I've been getting some DMs on Instagram and Facebook Messenger. People asking me about bariatric surgery, right? All I'll say is that I strongly recommend this surgery for everyone, guys. If you've got this financial means, do go for it. If your medical aid approves, do go for it. There's nothing cute with obesity. There's nothing cute. For some people like myself, it compromised my fertility. I was even diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome. And that side of life, guys, that problem is gone now. It's things of the past. My cycles are regular. My cycle is regular. I'm that 28-day girl. Like, I am that 28-day girl. Like, 4 to 5 days cycle. Yeah, like periods. Like, do you understand, guys? I'm very excited. And also, guys, there's people who have been asking me, so how was the surgery? The surgery was a success. I am here all in one piece, guys. All in one piece. Okay, don't mind my clothes, guys. They now look like, they like wearing baggy clothes is now my fashion because of, I'm just shedding the weight off, Yeah, guys, the surgery was a success. My doctor is a professional. He also had his his professor. I mean, guys, look, it's not just people from the corner who did a course, a short course, and then they come and operate. These are surgeons. These people have been certified to operate as. So I strongly, like, guys, from the bottom of my heart, I wish this for everyone, guys. I know people who have suffered from blood pressure because of obesity, low blood pressure, diabetes, being pre-diabetic, back problem, knee problems. Hey, being obese, guys, yo, like life, no, guys, I'm no longer that person. So yeah, just keep those questions coming and I'm happy to answer them. Secondly, guys, you remember that parcel that I've been waiting for? Like, the parcel is here, guys. Honestly, this hair is everything. This is the hair that I've been waiting for from AliExpress. It is an 18-inch, but I just had to get it. I just had to get the person who installs my hair to cut it a bit. But hey, this hair is giving, guys. Yo. Check this. Also, I received a parcel. I think this parcel is from Shein. I waited for this parcel. I don't know, for some strange reason, I paid for my taxes on, I don't know if it's this Shein. Let's check. Oh, guys! Oh no! So I ordered a jersey from Masonwabe Ntloko, guys. Like, I even forgot about this order. How gorgeous is this? Ooh, this is nice. Masonwabe. He's an artist. I saw his work at work. Umbulelo ongazenzisiyo ngothando lengxaso yakho. Wenze njalo nakwabanye. Kwande apho uthatha khona. Ozothobileyo. Masonwabe Ntloko. Enkosi butwa. Order, and like that order is will come when it wants to. Oh, guys, guys, you know I've got a friend who used to tease me, do me, okay. Yeah, but it's Africa Day. Most of my clothes, it's African print, so it's Africa Day clothes. Guys, I'm all for everything Africa, man. Check this jersey. Oh, it is so beautiful. There's a card. Oh, what does it say? Certificate of authenticity. Guys, my jersey comes with a certificate. It's not a duplicate. It's not a duplicate, hey guys. Let me stop it with my madness. It's not a duplicate. This is an original jersey and I love it. Thank you for watching Buchomaga. Goodbye.